What is a cleanroom? Technically speaking, a cleanroom is a controlled indoor environment designed to minimize the number and size of airborne particles, with the goal of protecting processes and products from contamination. In reality, people looking for a cleanroom will use the term to describe virtually any enclosure used to control an environment. In fact, our most common requests at PortaFab involve the development of an enclosed room that provides an extra level of protection against contaminants, temperature, humidity, and access by personnel. These types of clean rooms that are equivalent to normal room air would be characterized as ISO 9 clean rooms. They do not control the environment to a specific particle count and rarely employ advanced filtration or stringent gowning protocols. More advanced clean rooms are classified by the amount of micron-sized particles in 1 cubic foot of air. Historically, clean rooms were classified from Class 1 to Class 1 million in accordance with Federal Standard 209E. For instance, a Class 100 clean room has at most 100 micron particles of 0.5 microns or larger in a cubic foot of air. With the development of modern filtration technology, this classification system was replaced with ISO 14644-1 in 2001. This system accounted for even smaller air particles ranging from 0.1 microns to 5 microns per cubic meter of air. What are the most common types of particulate that you will need to control? Contaminants can range from microscopic particles to viruses to bacteria, including virtually any solid, liquid, or gas that could contaminate a product or process. What creates contamination? The three primary sources are the environment outside the room, the people working in the room, and the processes in the room. The list of particles in any outside environment can range from the microscopic debris caused by moving parts and machinery to the vapors that off-gas from materials like glues and cleaning agents. In many food, medical, and pharmaceutical applications, the clean room must protect against bacteria, fungi, viruses, and endotoxins. Human skin and hair are the single largest source of contamination in most clean rooms, as a motionless person can shed tens of thousands of skin particles per minute. Spittle, perspiration, clothing debris, and personal care products like cosmetics and perfume can all aid in contaminating an area. Since most clean rooms are designed as a workspace, one must consider the processes in the room that can create contaminants. In addition to equipment particles or any liquids or gases used in the process, contaminants from pencils, glues, tapes, and other materials can create contaminants. How big are these particulate? Particulate is measured in microns, a measurement that is equal to 1/1,000,000th of a meter. To put this into perspective, a typical strand of hair will range from 50 to 70 microns, while dust and pollen often measure about 20 to 40 microns. A human blood cell measures about 6 to 8, and a typical virus will be less than 1 micron in size. What class of clean room do I need? When designing a clean room, it is incredibly important to first determine what ISO level standard you want or need to achieve. This level or class is often set by an end customer, industry regulations or standards, or internal quality assurance teams. In reality, many clean rooms do not need to meet any specific standards. They exist to improve product yield, protect sensitive equipment, control processes, or impress clients. Regardless of the type and class of clean room you need, PortaFab has modular cleanroom systems and a nationwide network of qualified cleanroom contractors that can help. If you are interested in adding a cleanroom to your facility, please call us at 1-800-32-53781 or visit our website at portafab.com to get a request design assistance and obtain a quote. You can also download our modular cleanroom systems catalog. Links to these will be in the video description below.